Good morning. I'm Gregorio Valles Jr. My topic is all about golden ratio. Golden ratio. What is golden ratio? Golden ratio is a mathematical ratio that is commonly found in nature, designs, and or even as humans. So it fosters organic and natural leaking compositions that they're aesthetically pleasing to the eyes. So meaning, kung ato ning siyang i-simplify, it means it is attractive or sa Bisaya pa dili siya sakit sa mata, tan-awan. Or in other terms, the object, the person looks perfect or near perfect. Okay. Now, golden ratio, also known as the following. We have golden section, golden mean, divine proportion, and the Greek letter phi or phi. Okay, so golden ratio has been practiced long time ago. So ang history aning golden ratio before was commonly used on sculpture and or painting, so ginapasikat ni siya sa atong mga famous nga mga artist, which is now ginailagapon nato sila for their work nga special. Okay, so some of these examples are the pyramids of Giza. As you can see, if you have a picture or of pyramids of Giza, you can see that the proportion or the ratio of the size of the pyramid is almost perfect or near perfection. The Parthenon in Athens, the creation of Adam on the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel by Michelangelo. And lastly, the famous Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci. Well known, so kita nato know na the reason why those arts are still well known today because ang isa ka factor ana is they use golden ratio. Golden ratio, gigamit nila ang golden ratio if you are a person, if you look at something, or for example, we look at a portrait or an image of painting. So if a painting is attractive, so naay tendency nga mas madugay siya mawala sa brain or sa ato nga gatan-aw. Di ba mas ma-retain siya sa ato. That's why, as you can see, kani siya ng mga paintings nga gigamit og golden ratio. Until now, gina-appreciate gyapon siya sa ato ang new generation. Today, we can see the evidence of the influence of golden ratio everywhere. So, if it may be intentional or not, so wala takabalo nga kana day naa sa atong palibot na influence na di ay na siya by golden ratio. That's why it is pleasing to the eyes or attractive siya tan-awan. And lastly, syempre na-explain na nato while ago na one nagigamit sa atong mga ancestors, which is painting. So mao ni siya ang pinaka famous before, mostly widely used golden ratio sa paintings.
Give an example, something in nature that exhibits the golden ratio. Example of golden ratio is like the poster or picture, like Mona Lisa, painting of Mona Lisa, and it's like it's true. Thank you. What is the approximate numerical value of the golden ratio? The approximate numerical value of the golden ratio is 1.618. Thank you. Good afternoon. What is the approximate numerical value of the golden ratio?
The approximate numerical value of the golden ratio is 1,618,0,3.